Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, May 31st. Well, that NASDAQ market had a little bit of a boost. It broke earlier, but those buyers came back in when it comes to this particular indice. That's what it's showing us. I'm looking for an update today and new highs, but the issue here for that market, it's going to be what Asia does. And right now we're seeing Asia just beginning to trade. It's going to be important for them to set the foundation for follow through. Let's move on over though to the euro. Bouncy as all get out. It implies an up day, but I'm looking for an inside day with that market. The bias though is for a move to the upside. I don't think the paper's there to create that. If you take a look at the British pound, it traded below its bearish level, or I should say above its bearish level, and the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $625 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. Canadian dollar also traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in that market is $300 a contract, and I'm also looking for an inside type day for that market. 10-year notes, logical. If you look at the softness that we saw in the stock market, I think this behavior is right on target, but I'm not looking for follow through here. An inside day also in the 10-year notes I think makes sense. Now gold. Well, gold traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market, $700 a contract. I do look for continued downward pressure here in this market, but not a big day down on Wednesday. Silver traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish is $1,750 a contract, and I do look for further movement to the downside as well, but a relatively small range for that market. Let's move on over to crude oil. Crude oil sideways move is what I was looking for. It gave us that kind of movement. I'm looking for more of the same when it comes to Wednesday's action. And in soybeans, it got weaker. I expected a smaller move, but we're seeing continued weakness here to the downside, and I'm looking for a smaller range today, about half the size of yesterday's action. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.